Hello friends, welcome to Celebrity Nation. In this video, we talk about Sue Bird's family. If you are a new viewer in this channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Suzanne Brigit Bird is an American-born professional basketball player. She born on the 16th October 1980, her age 40. Currently she dating with her partner, Megan Rapinoe, from 2017. She born to father Herschel Bird and mother Nancy Bird. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos.